Guys, this is Bhavesh. Welcome to my first video. So this is about my car Brezza. So I have modified it. I bought the base model from the company and then I installed various things in it with a total cost of 50,000 rupees. I mean not 50,000, I would say 52,000 approx. So first of all are these LED headlights. These are 280-watt crosslink wheels company. And then I installed this font which is of black color, but these letters are of plastic or I think yes, plastics type material. And I installed these fog lamps which turns on in two colors, that is yellow and white. Also I installed these mud guards. Here you can see that this part I'm talking about. And I installed the chrome kit. Here you can see chrome kit goes from here till there on both sides. Okay, now the real look is something like this. Not installed more things on the exterior of the car, but on the interior there are many new things, such as, first of all, start with the back of the car. So I installed these leatherette seats, which is of I think Autoform company. Yeah, but there is a problem. I cannot unfold this. I mean, I have to fold this thing uh, to undo this thing. Center armrest on rear seat. Also, there's nothing on the back. So then I installed this rear USB port, armrest, and Brezza original mats. I installed this armrest and Brezza original mats from the company itself. Also, now the main things come in the front of the car. So, welcome to my car's interior. So here I installed this top model steering. I was installing the top model one, but the shopkeeper installed ZXi which have these pedal shifters. Also, I installed one component. Here you can see, I mean you cannot see, it's on the inside of the door. I installed this what do you say, these tweeters. Also I installed a 10-inch Cubo 4GB RAM 64GB Android system. Also you can see this, there are pedal shifters and here's the manual transmission. Okay, I installed this front USB port which also connects with the Android system. I can also run wired Android Auto in this. Also there is a pen drive connection slot here. I can also put the pen drive here, so it is more convenient, so I put it down here. Here is the look of the front seat covers. Also here's the armrest. The armrest and mats are company genuine. Okay, so this is all, I think so. And oh yeah, rear camera. See this. This is what the quality the rear camera delivers. Okay, if I reverse a little, so you can see it moving. Okay, okay, so that's all from my side. I hope you guys like these modifications, and also do not comment rubbish, comment good things. So bye bye.